All right, now we're just gonna finish these notes. These problems are a lot less scary than what we were doing before. Again, take a time just to think really fast before you start solving these. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 25 is 5. All right, there's nothing to rationalize. It's more of just simplifying. 3/5. Bada bing, bada boom, I'm done. All right. Here though, again, there's a bunch of ways to do it. I like just to try to get really good at one method. Master that one method. And then moving forward, you're going to be really good at it. You could technically try to simplify radical 12 first. You could do other things, but I like just to do it this way. All right, what's the largest square factor of 180? I know 90 is the largest factor, but we need a square factor. Let's see what happens if I do 180 divided by 36. Oh, great first try. Square root of 36, square root of 5, becomes 6 radical 5 over 12. That reduces to 1/2 radical 2, or half radical 2 over 2, and that's my answer. Okay? Again, hopefully you guys are starting to feel like you're building these skills. Here, I'm going to immediately do radical 4, and that was 2. I have 4 radical 5. Here, I feel like simplifying first. I'm going to do 1/2 radical 5. All right, so I just simplified some whole numbers first. Now I'm going to take this radical 5 and multiply both top and bottom. I'm going to get radical 5 over 2 times 5, or radical 5 over 10. Nice. Okay, 3 more problems. Look how easy this one is. Square root of 4, 2. Square root of 36, 6. 1/3. All right, kind of joked around a little bit, but just press pause. Radical 4. We know the square root of 4, it's a perfect square. Same thing, you have a perfect square right there. We can quickly simplify those. Again, this is another reason why simplifying radicals is so important. Square root of 4, square root of 36 kind of seems like a bizarre fraction, but it was really just 1/3 all along. Here, again, perfect square. So I have 2. I have a over 2, radical 20. These just simplify to 1, so I have 1 over radical 20. Just a quick cleanup. Now I'm going to use brute force. Multiply by radical 20 over radical 20. Radical 20 over 20. Now here, radical 20 can be simplified. Breaks up into the square root of 4. Square root of 5 becomes 2 radical 5. We have over 20 still. 2 over 20 is 1 over 10. All right, and then last problem with the notes. Bittersweet moment. I wish there was more problems to do, but there's not. I'm going to get 4 radical 10 over 3 times 5. Radical 10 can't be simplified, and neither can 4 over 15. All right, usually I put smiley faces. I'm going to put a frowny face because we're done. I'm sad. Wish there was more problems to do, but there's not. Have a good rest of your day.